Struggling to create high-impact video content quickly and affordably? Meet Seedance. Transform text into studio-quality videos in minutes. Let me show you how fast it is to bring your ideas to life. In a single prompt, I created this. To get started, head over to VEED Seedance page. I'm going to pop a link for this down in the description. So to start, you can type in any text here. It could be a tagline, a campaign idea, a caption, and then hit generate. For this example, I'm going to go for a cinematic vibe. So if you do want to steal my prompt, let me know. I'll pop it down in the comment section. Then I'm going to click on the sparkle icon, and in minutes, Seedance transforms your words into a stunning, high-quality video that is ready to use. Alright, now to elevate it, let's add a cinematic title here and some audio. Put your playhead to the very beginning of your video. Then you can click the text icon, select any of the pre-made styles here, and then fill in your text for both layers. Then you can choose to style your text with any font, size, color, style, animation, and position. Then you can shorten or extend the duration of time that title stays on screen by adjusting it on the timeline. Now lastly, to give it some ambience here and set the scene, we're going to add some sound effects to round it off. In the left toolbar, click Audio and scroll down to Sound Effects. Hit Search and type in the one that you need. Then hit the play button to hear a demo and click the plus sign to add the one that you like. And then you can trim the track to remove any excess audio. You can push the end of the track over to the left, or you can use the split tool. Now don't forget to adjust the volume here, and you can also fade your audio in and out. Alright, let me export it and then we can watch it back together. So for only 2 minutes work, I think that is amazing. So what should I create next?